Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on creating an email validator in Python. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step as we build a Python script to check the validity of email addresses. We'll also add a user-friendly feature to allow users to enter a single email or choose a list of emails from a text file. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start by defining the heart of our email validator. This function uses a powerful tool called regular expressions to match the email address against a specific pattern. This pattern ensures that the email follows the standard format, containing an alphanumeric username part, followed by @ and then the domain name with dots. The top-level domain, TLD, should be at least 2 characters long. If the email matches this pattern, we'll consider it valid. Next, let's add a helper function. This function takes a list of email addresses, and inside it, we'll loop through each email. For every email, we'll call our valid email function to check if it's valid or not. We'll then categorize the emails into 2 lists, one for valid emails and another for invalid ones. Now, to make our email validator user-friendly, we'll let the user choose between entering an email directly or selecting a text file containing multiple email addresses. We'll use the Python input function to achieve this. If the user chooses the file option, we'll ask them to provide the path to the text file with the email list. We'll read the email addresses from the file and store them in the email list variable. If the file is not found, we'll handle the error and display an appropriate message to the user. After gathering the email addresses, we'll call our check emails function to validate them. This function will separate the emails into two lists, valid and invalid ones, based on the email validation result. Finally, we'll display the result to the user. We'll print out the valid email addresses first, followed by the invalid ones. The user can then see which emails are valid and which ones need correction. And there you have it. Our Python email validator is now ready to rock and roll. With this script, you can quickly check if an email address is valid or not, whether it's a single address or a whole bunch from a text file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting programming tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!